Welcome to my channel, Happy Learn No Lands. Today we will learn about the meaning behind Christmas. So let's begin. First of all, introduction. Christmas is a Christian festival observed on December 25th of each year to honor the birth of Jesus Christ, who is regarded by Christians as the Son of God and the human race's Savior. With customs like decorating Christmas trees, exchanging gifts, and getting together with loved ones, it's a season of happiness, love, and giving. In observance of the day's spiritual significance, many people also sing songs and attend church services. Now, let's learn about the historical background about Christmas. Christmas's origins can be traced back to early Christian customs that commemorated the birth of Jesus Christ, which is thought to have taken place in Bethlehem more than 2,000 years ago. Although the precise date of Jesus' birth is uncertain, December 25th was selected in the 4th century, perhaps to align with already existing pagan holidays such as the winter solstice celebration of Sol Invictus or the Roman Saturnalia. Now, let's learn about the religion significance. Christmas has religious significance because it commemorates the birth of Jesus Christ, whom Christians revere as the Son of God and the Savior of the world. According to Christian faith, Jesus' birth fulfilled Old Testament predictions about the arrival of a Messiah who would save humanity. The birth story, as told in Matthew and Luke's Gospels, stresses themes of hope, love, and divine grace, with important events such as the shepherd's visit, the angel's proclamation of peace, and the Magi's journey signifying Christ's worldwide significance. Universal values of Christmas. Christmas represents global principles that transcend religious barriers, making it a celebration of humanity's common ideals. These qualities include love, as demonstrated by acts of compassion and giving, peace, as reflected in the message of goodwill and harmony, hope, represented by the light amongst the darkness of winter, and joy. The giving spirit is essential, inspiring people to give to those in need and express thankfulness for their gifts. Regardless of one's religious beliefs, Christmas also promotes community and family unity. Because of these principles, Christmas is a time for people all over the world to ponder, get together, and celebrate. Symbols of Christmas. Christmas symbols are rich in tradition and meaning, each signifying a distinct facet of the celebration. The Christmas tree, which is frequently decked out with lights and decorations, represents joy, life, and hope. The wise men were led to Jesus' birthplace by the Star of Bethlehem, which is symbolized by the star at the top of the tree. Santa Claus, who was modeled after Saint Nicholas, represents giving and kindness. Christmas traditions. Some of the Christmas traditions are: Number 1, exchanging gifts and cards. Number 2, attending church services. Number 3, decorating homes with lights. And Number 4, singing carols and sharing. The spirit of Christmas. Warmth, generosity, and kindness are hallmarks of the Christmas spirit that stretch beyond the actual holiday and represent the virtues of compassion and solidarity. People gather around this time to honor kindness, love, and the satisfaction that comes from giving. Because people are inspired to help those in need by giving gifts, volunteering, or sharing meals, the spirit of Christmas promotes charitable deeds. Conclusion. The significance of Christmas extends beyond its commercial features, giving a profound contemplation on themes of love, hope, and unity. Christians celebrate the birth of Jesus Christ, which represents God's gift of salvation to humanity. However, Christmas has developed into a celebration of universal ideals, with people from various countries and backgrounds coming together to demonstrate kindness, generosity, and compassion. It is a season for selflessness, introspection, and developing relationships with family and friends. Thank you for watching Happy Learn No Lands. Please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.